A major shift in the market is on the horizon, and altcoins are poised to outperform Bitcoin. In this video, we'll dive deep into the data and charts that suggest why your alt holdings might soon see significant gains. We've analyzed market cycles, institutional investments, and even Federal Reserve policies to bring you this crucial insight. Whether you're holding Ethereum, Solana, or other promising altcoins, you'll want to stick around. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the crypto landscape is about to change and how you can position yourself for potential profits. Let's break down the crypto money flow cycle. Picture it like a loop. Fiat money enters the market and first heads to Bitcoin. As Bitcoin's price rises, investors start taking profits and moving funds into large-cap altcoins like Ethereum and Solana. This shift causes these altcoins to surge. Next, as large caps peak, money flows into smaller, riskier altcoins. Eventually, profits are taken, and the cycle repeats. Right now, we're seeing signs that we're about to transition from the Bitcoin dominant phase to the large-cap altcoin phase. This is crucial because it suggests we're on the cusp of a potential altcoin boom. Understanding this cycle can help you time your investments and maximize your potential returns in the coming months. Let's dive into the numbers. As of now, Bitcoin's dominance in the crypto market stands at about 56.88% of the total market cap. This means that for every dollar in the crypto market, nearly 57 cents are in Bitcoin. It's a significant chunk, but it's also a critical threshold. Historically, when Bitcoin's dominance reaches these levels, we often see a shift towards altcoins. The remaining 43% is spread across thousands of other cryptocurrencies, leaving room for potential growth. This concentration of capital in Bitcoin isn't just coincidence. It's partly due to the recent influx of institutional money through ETFs. But here's the kicker. As Bitcoin's dominance peaks, we typically see money starting to flow into altcoins, particularly the larger ones. This pattern has repeated in previous cycles, and all signs point to us being on the verge of another shift. Keep an eye on this Bitcoin dominance figure. When it starts to decline, that's your signal that the altcoin season might be kicking into gear. Institutional money is flooding into Bitcoin like never before, and it's reshaping the market landscape. Major players are getting in on the action. We're talking about some of the world's top 25 hedge funds. These big money moves are disclosed in their 13F filings, which are public records. This influx of institutional cash is a double-edged sword for the crypto market. On one hand, it's driving up Bitcoin's price and dominance, but on the other, it's setting the stage for a potential altcoin surge. Why? Because as Bitcoin becomes saturated with institutional money, these big players will start looking for the next big opportunity. And that's where altcoins come in. As institutions begin to diversify their crypto holdings, we could see a significant shift in capital from Bitcoin to promising altcoins. This institutional interest isn't just a short-term trend. It's a sign of crypto's growing legitimacy and could be the catalyst for the next altcoin boom. Let's dig into the charts that are signaling a potential shift in Bitcoin dominance. We're looking at a key chart that shows Bitcoin's market cap dominance. Notice how it's currently hovering around that 56% to 60% range. This zone is critical. Historically, when Bitcoin hits this level, it often marks a turning point. We're seeing a pattern form, a converging triangle. This pattern suggests we might see a brief spike in Bitcoin dominance, possibly breaking above this triangle. But here's the exciting part. After this spike, we're likely to see a significant drop. This drop in Bitcoin dominance doesn't mean Bitcoin's price will necessarily fall. Instead, it signals that altcoins are gaining ground faster than Bitcoin. Another chart to watch is the Total 3 metric. This shows the total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and USDT. When this metric bottoms out, it's historically been very profitable to be in Bitcoin. But as it rises, that's when altcoins start to shine. Right now, we're seeing signs that we're at or near that bottom, suggesting we're on the cusp of an altcoin surge. Keep an eye on these charts. They're your roadmap to potential profit opportunities in the coming months. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Federal Reserve. You might be wondering, what does the Fed have to do with crypto? Well, a lot more than you might think. The Fed's decisions on interest rates have a massive impact on the entire financial market, including crypto. Here's the scoop. The next Fed meeting is on September 18th, and there's a 72% probability they'll cut interest rates by 25 basis points. This is huge news for altcoins. Why? Lower interest rates typically mean investors are more willing to take risks. And in the crypto world, altcoins are seen as riskier bets than Bitcoin. When rates drop, we often see a risk-on mentality, with more money flowing into these higher-risk, potentially higher-reward assets. This could be the catalyst that kicks off the altcoin season we've been anticipating. But it's not just about one rate cut. The Fed's overall trend towards easing could create a window of opportunity, potentially up to 6 months, where we see altcoins strongly outperform Bitcoin. So, while you're watching those crypto charts, don't forget to keep an eye on the Fed. Their decisions could be the key to unlocking the next big move in the altcoin market. As we gear up for this potential altcoin surge, let's focus on two major players.
Are we on the brink of a major recession
and stock market
Solana?
crash?
The
These
signs
aren't
are there,
just random
and they're
picks.
flashing red.
They're the top
In this
two
video,
large-cap
we'll dive
altcoins
into
after
three
Bitcoin,
critical indicators,
and they're positioned to lead the charge. Ethereum, the pioneer of smart contracts, is on the verge of some major upgrades that could supercharge its performance and attract even more developers and investors. Solana, on the other hand, has been making waves with its lightning-fast transactions and growing ecosystem. Both of these coins are showing promising technical patterns that suggest they're coiling up for a potential breakout. But here's the kicker. It's not just about these two. As money flows from Bitcoin into large caps like Ethereum and Solana, we typically see a ripple effect that benefits smaller altcoins too. This could create a cascade of opportunities across the altcoin market. So, while Ethereum and Solana might be the ones to watch, don't take your eyes off the broader altcoin landscape. There could be some hidden gems ready to explode. What altcoins are you most excited about for the coming months? Drop your picks in the comments below, and if you found this analysis helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. Your engagement helps us bring you more in-depth market analysis like this.